Hello, so welcome back to my channel. This is your girl AE. If you're new here, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to create that blue smoky eye makeup. Yes, that is the vibes I'm going for today. So yeah, without much ado, let's get started. So first and first, I prime my lid with my eyeshadow base, and after that I went into my Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette and I started with that brown shade in my crease region. So I'm just tapping in the color in my crease region. You can see that I'm not blending or whatever, I'm just packing the color right there. So I went in with that lighter brown shade in my brow bone area. I just want to blend in the harsh line around the first color that I apply in my crease region, and you can see that it blends in smoothly. So after that I went into my eyeshadow again with that black in my crease region. I'm just creating a illusion around that area, nothing else. Okay, so I just want that place to be a deep dark, so that is all. I use my brush to blend it out well, and that is all. So after I finished doing that, I went into another eyeshadow palette and I used that matte blue there and tap it on my eyelid. Okay, so I am not dragging it, I'm just tapping it. I want the color to pop, so that is why I'm doing like that. So tap, and after I finished that, I thought I was recording whilst applying my shimmer blue on top. I wasn't, sorry for that. So I applied the shimmer blue on top and later went into my Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette and used that black shade at the outer V to smoke out the edges there. I just want that place to be dark. At this point the look is given, so I just repeated the same thing at the other eye, and that is all for this look.
You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay. After done with my eye look, I went ahead to apply my vitamin C serum from Kiss Beauty and I massage it well into the skin and I let it set before I went ahead to apply my moisturizer, and that is the day by day cream on my face. I always say this: let the product set on your skin before you move on to the next product. Next up, I went into my primer, that is my Bicham Ageless primer, and apply it, massage it into the skin
skin. And after that, I went in with the Adventure Oil Control Primer. That primer, I just apply it at where I normally produce oil. That is my T-zone areas, my nose, on top of my nose, and my forehead, and the other side. After that, I went into my foundation, that is from Adventure Makeup. Okay, so I'm just tapping the foundation on my skin. You tap, you tap, you blend, tap, you blend, tap, you blend. That is the rule. To contour my face, I went ahead to use my Blossom BB Skin Foundation to contour my cheek, my forehead, my jawline.
Strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Next up, I went into this red lip stain as my blush and apply it at the high point of my cheek and blend into the skin well. To highlight under my eye, I went into my Blossom concealer in the shade Blossom, and also went into my Blossom Pro concealer in the shade 01 to highlight under my eye, my forehead, and my chin.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I went into my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set under my eye, my forehead, my chin, and the other places of my face.
Never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Next up, I went into my Dodo Girl contour palette and I used a shade darker than me to contour my forehead, my cheek, and my jawline, and also contour my nose as well.
Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why
Next up, I went ahead to set my face with my Kiss Beauty setting spray and to melt in those powders. Then after that, I went ahead to use my Ben Eye setting powder to bake under my eye and also do a reverse contour.
As you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade
So for my lip combo today, I use my carrot gel liner to line my lip, and I went into my cheek lipstick palette. I blend everything together and went ahead to gloss it up, and yeah, that is it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay
Next up, I'm
strong and
highlighting
fake
the
a
face.
smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away.
I'm setting the face for the last time, and then I went ahead with my mascara from Kiss Beauty Mega Impact Mascara to volume up my lower lash line, and that is all for this look.
Yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy today's video, and please, if it does, give it a thumbs up, and please also turn off your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new video. So yeah,
Told your friend
this is
you're
the blue
not
vibe I'm
okay.
feeling for right
Tell me
now.
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.